Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Fabritech. We are running question blanks for interview purpose. Our question number 5. The question is basic chemical composition difference between SS316 and SS316Ls. There is difference between 316 and 316L. Uh, Chromium 16 to 18%, 316L 16 to 18%, nickel 10 to 14%. Nickel 10 to 14%, carbon less than or equal to 0.08%, carbon less than or equal to 0.03%. This is the main difference between 316 and 316L, because L is a low carbon. Why they are we write SS316L, L for low carbon. Manganese less than or equal to 2%, manganese less than or equal to 2%, silicon less than or equal to 1%, silicon less than or equal to 1%, phosphorus less than or equal to 0.04%, molybdenum 2 to 3%. All composition, chemical composition, all are same, but only carbon percentage is low. This is the basic difference between 316 and 316EL. Okay, thank you.